Hello everyone, I'm Bill from DJI Enterprise. Today I'd like to talk about this Matrice 40D, a small drone equipped with flagship level performance. 3 years ago, the M30 was officially released, and it is incredible that M30 integrates wide-angle, zoom, infrared, and laser rangefinder capability into such a small body. But for the M40D we are releasing now, has a smaller size but higher integration. Compared with M30T, the overall size and weight M40D are much smaller, and you can easily to pick up with only one hand. But for M30T, you have to use two hands to pick up. In terms of camera, compared to the 4-sensor M30T, the M40D integrates 6 sensors and has richer functions. In addition, it not only inherits the IP55 protection of M30T, but also achieves comprehensive breakthroughs in the field of smart function, night vision, image transmission, up to 54 minutes maximum flight time, etc. Next, we will compare the M30T and M40D. First, about the camera quality. This is a sample photos. Do you know which one is from the M40D and which one is the M30T? And the answer is the left one is the M40D. The M40D main camera uses DJI's most classic 1/1.3-inch sensor, which has been tuned very well. From the sample photos, it can be clearly seen that the M40D has a obvious advantage in the noise control and dynamic range. In addition to the improvement of the main camera, the M30 series drone has also added full-color night vision mode, which greatly improves the brightness through multi-frame synthesis. In addition, the NIR auxiliary light has been added, which can emit near-infrared light that is invisible to naked eye and can illuminate the target even in a completely dark environment. During night drone operations, I always feel nervous, especially in the mountainous area. I can barely discern the mountain contours at night. But the M40D equipped with the obstacle avoidance module changes everything. It operates safely not only in complete darkness, but also in challenging environments like glass curtain walls and the power transmission lines. This video showed by our users demonstrates this ability to automatically fly through the dense obstacles at high speed. Our power utility users often tell us that during transmission line inspections, especially in mountainous areas, signal blockage and the lack of 4G often leads to poor transmission range once the aircraft crosses the mountain, and significantly impacts the inspection efficiency. To address this, we have developed the airborne relay feature, where one drone acts as a signal relay for another. This innovation overcomes the terrain obstructions and can achieve up to 25 kilometers of stable video transmission. The laser rangefinder is one of the key upgrades this time. It enables not just distance measurement, but also coordinate calculation and real-time precise measurement. Through simple operations such as pinpoint, line drawing, and area calculation, it can complete tasks like the marking target locations for inspection purpose or calculating the area of a wildfire, even for measuring the human height. In terms of protection rating, the M40 series has IP55 protection, enabling worry-free operation even in raining conditions. This is also the first time our small drone have IP protection. Additionally, the M40 series drone comes standard with anti-icing propellers, which ensure reliable operation in freezing rain conditions. The M40D also features its most significant capability, a powerful onboard computing capability that enables real-time detection of vehicles and vessels. In addition, we open up this computing power to our ecosystem partners. This empowers various smart inspection scenarios like illegal property identification, fire smoke detection, and road cracks detection. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.